Hi, I'm Eric Stinson from Juniper's product marketing team, and I'm back today with another question of the day from our Embedded Security in the Data Center series. And today I have with me Chirag Kachalia, who is one of our technical marketing engineers. Hello, Chirag.
Hi, Eric.
So Chirag, previously we discussed embedded security in the data center and why it's needed. So we'd like to get a little bit more information. I was wondering, if you could describe how this embedded security actually works.
Sure, Eric. So before we jump into the embedded security, I just wanted to share that most of the organizations today have more than 2 data centers. And usually they have these to prevent their application from any disruption, right? And nowadays, they also have a concern about protecting this application from external threat. So what we have a solution in Juniper is that with the QFX platform and with the SRX, we provide 2 capabilities. Number one, they can seamlessly stretch this application across 2 data centers with using standard BGP EVPN. And second, with SRX, we can provide more advanced security as well. So let me walk you through how these things work. So if you see this example where customer have more than 1 data center and they wanted to stretch their layer 2 across the data center so their application can communicate across the sites. Now, with the BGP EVPN, we provide seamless layer 2 connectivity with using overlay VXLAN tunnel. And after that, when the traffic comes to the SRX, and if there is no security policies defined, then basically we forward the traffic to the other side. But if there is a security policy is defined, then we go to the next level where we inspect this encapsulated packet. So the packet will be encapsulated with the VXLAN header. So the first lookup we do on the outer header, and if based on that, if it's permit or denied, we move to the next step. So if it's denied, then we drop the packet. But if it's permit, then we create the outer session. So once the outer session is created, there is another lookup happens in the inner policy. So in the inner policy, we basically use this match condition using the VNI. So based on the VNI, we can do the further inspection on this inner policy, whether it can be permit or deny, and based on that, it creates the inner session. So once the inner session is created, you can do the policy enforcement, and then based on that, you can either drop the packet or you can forward the packet to the next hop. But if you wanted to do the further more advanced security inspection, then on the same box, we can attach these IDS, IDP, and UTM profiles for further deep inspections. And they detect any threats or any malicious activity in the packet. And then they can also do the mitigation as well. And if the packet looks good and there is no malicious activity, then it simply forwards the traffic to the other side, and then it will receive on the other side host. So this one, it's we inspect the packet not based on the tunnel, but it's based on per VNI. So you can inspect the traffic per VNI or a range of VNI, and we can also inspect V4 traffic or V6 traffic, both. So that's what we have the solution to stretch the layer 2 across the site seamlessly with using BGP EVPN. And with the SRX, you can do a further more inspection on the packet up to layer 4 to layer 7. And you can also inspect the packet and do the mitigation. I hope that will be useful. And if you have any more questions, please feel free to reach out to us.
Thank you, Chirag. This has been awesome. I really appreciate your input on this and your insight. Very informative. So, we appreciate it. And I'm sure we'll be coming back to you again for a future question. Thanks again. Have a great day.
Sure. Thank you, Eric. And you too.